real estate investing is very near and dear to my heart, and it breaks my heart to say that most of you will not make it. And I'm going to share with you why, and I want you to watch this video because I don't want you to be one of them. I don't want you to be one of the people who don't make it in real estate investing, don't find success, don't find enjoyment, fulfillment, properties, rentals, flips, tons of income and freedom. I don't want you to be one of them. So watch this video so you can understand why most of you will not succeed in real estate investing. So if you're new to the channel, I'm Raul. I have a real estate investing wholesaling business here out of South Florida. We wholesale hundreds of properties nationwide. We do fix and flips, Airbnbs, long-term rentals, and I'm here to help you do the same or understand at a different level so you can succeed faster. So what I mean by people who won't make it in real estate investing is either wholesaling properties, fixing and flipping, basically the art and the science of buying an investment property. Doesn't matter what asset class it is, just buying a single family, a multifamily, doesn't matter. Buying an investment property and making a profit on it. Whether it's wholesale, whether you never buy it and just flip the contract, or whether you actually fix and flip it, or keep it as a rental, whatever. That is what I mean by real estate investing in this video. And I break it down into 4 reasons of why people don't succeed in this business. Now, to back up a quick second, I did not succeed at first, okay? It took me 3 months to get my first deal, and I really didn't start making a lot of money until about 9 months in. And some people will be able to withstand those months and withstand that pain or not. And in the process, it was embarrassing and it was scary because I did have a good job and I did have a good career, and I stopped going to school, and so it was scary. And I just want to resonate with you. I was not born out of the womb doing 10 deals a month, okay? That didn't happen. Like, I didn't come out of my mother like that. So the reason number 1, I feel that I see that people don't succeed is they don't really have a clear plan or a clear end game. So what do I mean by that is, why do you want to get involved and what do you want to accomplish? And more specifically, I like to put it in 3-month or 6-month or 1-year interval for your goals. So instead of saying, oh, I want to have rental properties. Okay, great. But what do you want to have in 3 months? Do you want to have your first deal under contract in 3 months? Do you want to have your first rental in 3 months? What do you want it to be? Because we can change our actions to get there, and we can make it a very realistic action plan, and then you can start dreaming big. I remember when I started, my first goal within 3 months was to move out of my mom's house, because I went to live at my mom's house and I was working out of there, and I was just saving enough money so I could move out. So I wanted to move out of my mom's house and I wanted to buy a Porsche. Those were literally my 3-month, 6-month goals. So it could be something so simple like that for you, and it absolutely helps you to get started in those things. Now, I've seen that a lot of times you won't succeed if you do not smash that like button, hit that bell, hit that notification bell, subscribe, maybe share a comment or share this video with a friend who's getting involved in real estate investing that might need to hear something about this. Number 2, one of the big ones that not a lot of people talk about, and this was very helpful for me as I was growing, and I wish I would have had this before, and it's not having clear expectations around data and around numbers. What do I mean by this? So a lot of real estate investors won't succeed in getting their first fix and flip or rental or wholesale deal because they don't know the numbers of what it takes to get there. What I mean by this is, okay, let's say that you want to get your first off-market deal in Miami, Florida, or in Los Angeles, California. Well, it's important to know somebody that has done it there and ask them what it takes. So let's say you want to get a deal on market, right? You say, oh, forget that. Forget sending mail and text messages and cold calling. I don't want to do any of that. I'm a realtor, so I want to just go on the market and get my deal. Cool. Well, what we have seen in South Florida, in Miami and Broward, to get a good off-market discounted deal under contract, it takes about 90 offers. 90 offers to get that deal under contract. So if you've made 7 offers and then you're upset at yourself and then you quit and you give up and then you don't succeed, it's because you didn't know the numbers. You didn't know, hey man, you need to send another 80 offers, 83 offers to be able to get that deal under contract based on numbers. Same as with cold calling and texting. You know, it takes about 50,000 cold calls to get your first deal. It takes about 35,000 text messages to get your first deal. These are obviously very rough numbers that we have seen in my business, but just so you have an idea, these are some numbers and expectations that help people succeed. Another reason that you won't succeed is that if you don't have a clear marketing and sales plan. Real estate investing, yes, it's revolved around deals and revolved around real estate. However, to get a deal under contract, to be able to find an off-market property, it is a function of marketing. So you have to tell people have to know that you're buying, and that's marketing. And then it's sales. Once people know, they're going to bring you a deal, and then you have to talk to them, figure out their motivations, figure out why they're selling, all these things to be able to close that deal. So if you don't have a clear marketing plan, how you're going to find deals, and a clear sales plan, how you're going to close that seller or realtor, then I see a lot of times people struggle and they think that they're in the real estate business, but you're absolutely not. And number 4 is lack of guidance and coaching or mentoring. I mean, think about how many people who get personal trainers end up with a physique they want as opposed to people without personal trainers. Or think about how many people who want to be good in basketball join their high school basketball team, they get coached, they have an offense coach, a defense coach, dribbling drills, etc. As opposed to if you just start practicing on your own at the park, who's going to be better at the end of the year? Yes, you guessed it. It's rhetorical, yes. So without further ado, that's just a thing. I mean, there's a lot of free mentorship out there. There's obviously YouTube University, which I'd be very careful with because there's a lot of misinformation and poor information. But I would say if you can get out in front of a person that's actually doing what you want to be doing, whether it's a paid or free event, I would absolutely recommend you do that and get some kind of guidance, even if it's sending DMs or emails or TikTok messages, whatever. You can always email me at info@raulblufer.com or DM me on my Instagram and I'll help you the best I can. Now, I hope you found this video helpful. I just want you to know that I believe in you. And although you might fail, if you don't listen to these tips, I still believe in you and you should believe in you because if I could do it at 21 years old with a 1.7 GPA out of my mom's house, you can absolutely do it. So if you want to go more in depth on specific questions or on how to get you that next deal, I have set up some links below that you can schedule and book a call with me directly, a Zoom call, and we can go over some strategies and we can leave that call with a clear plan on how you can get that next deal for you. So thank you guys for watching. If you found value, please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.